What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Palette, and today we'll be making Gyudon. This is one of Japanese cuisine's classic fast food that means beef bowl in English. Gyu means beef, and don is a shortcut for donburi, meaning rice bowl dish. Let's go ahead and prepare our ingredients. First off, we're going to make onsen tamago. Onsen means hot spring and tamago means egg. This is a traditional Japanese low-temperatured egg that is slowly cooked in the hot waters of onsens in Japan. In order for us to achieve that, we're going to boil water and add it into the fresh egg and cover it for 20 minutes. We need to make sure that our lid is fully covered without holes. And while waiting for the egg, we are now ready to make our sauce base. And in the saucepan, we're going to combine water and mentuyu. Mentuyu is a soup base mainly used for soba dishes. We are also going to add light soy sauce, sake, mirin, and light brown sugar. Just incorporate everything together until the sugar is dissolved. Soon after that, we are now ready to add our onion leeks and white onions. Just give it a light mix and bring it to a boil. And as soon as it boils, we're now going to add our grated ginger. We just need to cover it and let the onions cook on medium-low heat. Right here, I'm going to share to you a simple tip in cooking the meat for gyudon. We just need to quickly blanch the beef strips and run through a pre-boiling water to remove the excess fat and scum. And finally, we're now going to bring the dish together. And into the sauce, we're just going to add the meat and give it a light mix. We just need to bring this to a boil and turn off our heat as soon as it boils. And after 20 minutes, let's now go ahead and check our egg. And right here, I prepared water with ice, and we are going to cold shock it for 2 minutes before serving. And after 2 minutes, let's now go ahead and check what it looks like. Traditionally, this is served as a rice topping, hence the name Gyudon. But for presentation purposes, I'm just going to put the meat in a clay pot and serve it with rice later. And for our finishing touch, we're just going to put some onion springs on top and beni shoga. Beni shoga is a red pickled ginger in Japanese cuisine that is sour in taste. And of course, we can't miss adding our onsen tamago. And there you have it, our gyudon. Serve and enjoy! Thank you for watching, Palette, and I'll see you guys again for another episode.